तहे दिल से गुजारिश करूंगा फिरोज साहब से कि सर आएं। थैंक यू।
ये जो फंक्शन है इसके जो मैं कहता हूँ नौशा मियाँ, इसको दूल्हा बोलते हैं हम। आज के जो चीफ गेस्ट हैं मिस्टर दुबे साहब, माय वेरी डियर फ्रेंड क्वात्रा साहब, सरीन जी, लाली साहब, and all the people who are sitting here, who are friends of Quatra Sahab, and the ones who are members of this very famous and historic Roshnara Club. Hats off to you that on this very pleasant English weather day, it's not very cold, the wind is nice, and the sunlight is not something which actually pinches you. It is also very pleasant. And before I delve into the book or the poems written by Mr. Quatra, let me tell you a little bit about how I have come to know Mr. Quatra. Many of you must have known Mr. Quatra for many years, 2 years, 5 years, 20 years, 30 years. But my association of friendship with Mr. Quatra is just 48 hours old. And how it came about, a friend of mine who is a very senior mathematics teacher at Modern School, Barakhamba Road, Mr. J.K. Munjal, he said, "Ke Firoz, ek chota sa kaam hai." I said, "What is this?" He said, "A very good friend of mine, he has a book of poems written on pandemic. Could you just come and, participate in his function?" So I saw something very genuine and something very well-meaning. I told Munjal Saab ke yes, I am just ready to come to his function because whatever he must have done, it must be something really wonderful. But at that I thought कि Quatra साहब कोई he must be a poet, आस्था छोटे मोटे poet होंगे, चलो ठीक है. My friend has requested, let me just. So I talked to Mr. Quatra. I told him, you send me your collection of these pieces of poetry. So he sent me 6 pieces of poetry, 6 poems. तो मैंने कहा let me see क्या इसमें लिखा है. So I changed my view. He is not a poet, Asta. He is not a chota mota poet. But the work that he has done, I have been reading these pieces of poetry on the net for a long time, almost for a year. But let me tell you, let me vouch that the kind of poetry that he has written, this is marvelous. And I would advise him, Quatra Sahab, I mean, don't take it otherwise, send this book to the managers of either the Booker Prize or Pulitzer. Maybe there is something in store for you, right? All these, this is, you use the word creativity. Now, what is creativity? According to Plato, creativity is something, which is the deepest yearning for all of us. And he actually worked on this. Apart from that, Pablo Picasso also said that whatever is imagination is nothing but real. So he delved into reality, turned it into imagination, and we could see this in the form of a real book. While I was reading Quatra Sahab's book, I came to think about this wonderful, Lali Sahab talked about the plus ground, cricket ground of this Roshnara club. I think it was in 1996. I used to write a column for Hindustan Times on the monuments of Delhi. So I wrote about Roshnara Bagh and Roshnara Club. So let me tell you, there are so many wonderful clubs in Delhi, whether it is in Noida, in NCR, in Gurgaon, wonderful clubs. But I can vouch this is still the elitist club of all the clubs in Delhi or NCR. It has a history, right? I was talking to a friend of mine who is in a hat, cowboy hat. I think he's standing there, Vora Sahab. So he told me that next year, and this is true, this cricket club would be actually celebrating its 100 years because in 1922, Mr. Govan, he started this cricket club, and there are so many players. You name a player, and then this player, while he was on the India tour, he has played on this ground. Whether it is Frank Worrell, it is Tony Greig, it is Lala Amarnath, it is Mushtaq Ali, it is Sunil Gavaskar, it is Gautam Gambhir. I mean, it's a long list. Or the Chapel brothers or Dennis Lilly, they have all come here and played. Maybe this cricket club, Dubey ji, also has a record of sorts that the most important players of all the world cricket teams, they have actually played here in a club. I am not talking of any stadium. So, apart from that, thank you so much for picking up these papers. It's windy today. The 2 or 3 lines which I like the most from Mr. Quatra. Ma'am, ध्यान से सुनिए. My dentist friend, please. These 2 or 3 lines, I do not know. The poem is Light in Darkness. थोड़ा सा मैं चाहूँगा ध्यान से सुनिए आप. These lines are, found my family that was always at shore. The lust of wealth is not there anymore. Shore में भी किसी लंदन वगैरह की या पेरिस की बात कर रहे हैं. But anyway, the next 2 lines, the most important lines according to me in this book, the loyal companion that is my pet, always keeps me cheerful and buoyant. Now let me tell you, many of us actually have pets. Pets are those beings in our family which are as important or rather more important than the members of the family, because a pet does not nag you, does not harry you, is not after your life, does not fight with you. The pet simply demands that you give your love to it. And during that 1 year of pandemic, we were with the family, of course, lovely family. No matter if we have nagging wives, doesn't matter, they are all like that. However, the pets are the ones who are very near and dear to us. I also have some pets, and I have rabbits. One of them, a she rabbit, I lost, and even today I cry for her. In November, I lost her, and anyway. So let me, before I pack up, let me tell all of you that Quatra Sahab has given us, he has shown us a path. He has given us some, the best brand of education, that wherever we are, we can serve our nation. Whatever we are doing, in whatever manner possible. Take for example, writing a book. Many of you must have also written books. But writing a book is not rocket science. The way he has done it, that it was raining and it was pandemic and I thought I should do something. This is the way to do a thing. And India has no dearth of the sons of the soil like Mr. Quatra. The way he has actually been serving the cause of environment, and also Dubey Saab said that he is a naturalist. I salute to him.